Most people think running ads is the hard part, but that's not true. The real problem isn't running ads, but consistently creating enough good creatives. Because, let's be honest, filming UGC videos, hiring creators, editing everything, it not just takes time, but also money and a lot of effort. And by the time your ad is ready, the trend is already gone. But what if you could skip all of that and generate realistic UGC-style ads in minutes using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI UGC ads that actually look real, and more importantly, ads that can actually sell. We're going step by step, from product idea to a fully ready ad, and I'll show you exactly how you can generate multiple creatives fast, test different angles, and scale your content without ever filming anything. So if you're into dropshipping, running a brand, or even just testing products, this might completely change how you create ads. Let's get started. For creating these ads, we're going to use CreateUGC. And honestly, this is one of the best platforms right now for making AI UGC ads that actually look real and are simple to use. The link in the video description. And if you use my link, you will get a 3-day free trial once you click on it. Get started and log into your account. You'll land on the main dashboard. Now, before we jump into the full tutorial, let me give you a quick walkthrough so you know exactly where everything is. First, you have the My Videos section, where all your created videos appear. Then there's Avatars, where you can access a wide range of avatars for different use cases. Next is Assets, where you can upload or create visuals. And it also gives you access to Nano Banana Pro, a powerful model for generating high-quality marketing images directly inside the platform. You also get inspiration videos, which is really helpful for finding ad ideas, hooks, and creative directions. And finally, Avatar and Script, where you can choose and refine the script your avatar will use. Overall, the interface is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Now that you understand the layout, let's move into the actual tutorial and build this step by step. So first of all, I'll click on the Create Video button, and this is where the entire workflow starts. Now here, you'll see 3 different video types: Product in Hand with VO3, and Video Reaction. For this first example, I'm going with Product in Hand because it looks more natural and works really well for UGC-style ads. After this, you get 2 options. Either you can paste a product link or use the Add Product Manually option. If you go with Add Product Manually, you simply need to enter your product name, write a description, and upload your product images step by step. But for this example, I'm going to create an ad for this humidifier, so I'll just paste its product link. I'll quickly open Alibaba, copy the humidifier link, and paste it right here. Now, as soon as I paste the link, CreateUGC automatically pulls all the product details, including the product name, description, and images, so you don't have to do anything manually. Now, moving forward, here you can select the media assets, basically the humidifier images you want to include in your video. I'll pick a few good ones and click Next. Now, in video settings, you can choose your platform, aspect ratio, language, and duration. I'm selecting Instagram, 9:16, English, and keeping it at 30 seconds. Once that's done, click Next, and now you can choose your avatar from the library. There are a lot of options, so just pick the one that fits your ad style. I'll go with this one. Then you need to choose the voice that fits the avatar and click Next.
Welcome to CreateUGC.
Now here's the interesting part. CreateUGC automatically generates 3 different script options for your humidifier ad. These are fully AI generated, so you can either edit them or just choose one. I personally like this one, so I'll go with it. And now, just click on Generate, and within a few minutes, your AI UGC video is ready. Let's take a look at the result.
Struggling with dryness on the go? Our portable ultrasonic humidifier delivers powerful mist and aromatherapy, just one touch away. Only a few units left due to high demand. Act fast, claim yours, and breathe better today.
And as you can see, this looks really clean, natural, and exactly like a real UGC ad. Now let's try one more thing. Let's generate the same humidifier ad using the Product in Hand with VO3 option. The process is exactly the same. Again, click on Create Video, paste the same product link, and this time select Product in Hand with VO3. After that, follow the same steps. Select Assets, choose Settings, but since this option generates shorter videos, I'll set the duration to 8 seconds. Now I'll click on Generate, and here's the result generated using VO3.
Add a few drops of essential oil, hit one button, suddenly my car smells amazing and feels fresh. Try it today.
As you can see, the style is slightly different, so depending on your use case, you can choose what works best for your ads. Now if I go to the Assets section, I can create my own product visuals directly inside the platform using Nano Banana Pro. Instead of relying on random images, we can create exactly what we want. Let me show you. I'll click on Create New Asset, and here you get two options, Text to Image and Image to Image. Now, since I already have a product image, I'll go with Image to Image. I'll upload my product, and now I just need to describe the scene. Something like, placing this perfume in a beautiful natural environment with water, rocks, and a forest-style aesthetic. And once that's done, just hit Generate. And look at this. The results are honestly insane. The lighting, the composition, the overall feel. This looks like something you would shoot professionally. And the best part is, you can generate multiple variations like this in seconds. If you go to Inspiration Videos, you get access to a full library of high-performing ad creatives. Let me show you a few examples. This is extremely useful because when you're creating ads, you don't just make one. You test multiple angles, different hooks, different styles, different formats. And instead of guessing, you can directly take inspiration from what's already working. And finally, let's talk about avatar and script. I'll click on the avatar and script section. And here, first, you need to write your script. If you don't have one, you can simply click on Help me write a script and let AI generate it for you. For example, I'll click on it and write something like a 10-second hook about healthy eating habits. Then I simply click on Generate, and just like that, our script is ready. I'll go ahead and use this script. After that, I'll select an avatar from the library, choose the one that fits the style, then pick a voice that matches perfectly with the avatar. And once everything looks good, I'll simply click on Generate, and within a few moments, our full AI UGC video is ready. Let's take a look at the result.
Ever feel tired after meals? It might be what you're eating. Swapping out just one snack a day for something healthier can boost your energy and mood. Try it for a week and feel the difference.
So yeah, that's how you can create high-converting AI UGC ads that actually look real and can help you get better results for your product or content. And honestly, after using this platform, you can clearly see why tools like CreateUGC are becoming so powerful. You're saving time, cutting costs, and at the same time, getting ads that are ready to perform. Whether you're running a brand, doing dropshipping, or just creating content, this is something you can definitely take advantage of. And the best part is, you don't need any complicated setup or prior experience. Everything is streamlined inside one platform. So if you want to try this out for yourself, click the link in the description to start your 3-day free trial and begin creating your own AI UGC ads. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.